Alright, now this is where things start to get a little bit hairy. I'm going to begin to talk about pipeline parameter binding. I've already said in a previous video that the parameter is the way that a commandlet gets the object that it's going to do something with. It's passed through the parameter. Now, a parameter may have a default way of getting an object, as we've already mentioned. For example, the get-childitem, the path parameter gets its information from whatever the current path is. But it can also get it through the pipeline if I'm passing something in the pipeline to a parameter. So parameters, some parameters can accept pipeline and some cannot. So let's take a look. Let's use the get-childitem as an example. So I'm going to do a get help, and I'm going to do a full get help full for get-childitem. And let's see what our output is. We're going to go up to the parameters here, and here are all the parameters. Remember, of course, we can see them up here in the syntax, but then when we do a full, we can see them down here. And parameters you can always recognize by that dash. So here is the directory parameter, and can it accept pipeline input? No, it cannot. So no, the directory parameter cannot get its input from the pipeline. The file parameter, does it accept pipeline input? No, it does not. The hidden parameter, does it accept pipeline input? No, it does not. Read only? No. System? No. Force? No. Use transaction? No. Depth? No. Exclude? No. Filter? No. Include? No. Literal path? Oh, literal path does accept pipeline input. And it gives us some other information here. By property name. Now let's look down here and see if we have any others. Yes, we do. We have another one here. The path parameter accepts pipeline input, and it accepts it by property name and by value. Now we're going to talk about these in just a little bit. So that's the end. The recurse does not accept pipeline. So I've got two parameters that accept input through the pipeline. Now let's talk about what these two things mean, by value and by property name, in the next video.